morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will open the 72 Macaron pastel color pencil set that I bought from Kalour on Amazon for $19.99. I bought the pencils on Amazon on May 6th, 2025, and the set was delivered promptly. What's in the tube? Kalour's 72 Macaron pastel colored pencils come in a cardboard storage tube. It's not attractive packaging. Two other sets from Kalour, the 72 metallic and the 50 Macaron pastel pencil sets, both come in tin boxes, which are more attractive if you are presenting them as a gift. It is $19.99 for the set of 72 pastel pencils, or about 28 cents per pencil. Yes, the tube is unattractive, but the 72 pencil set is only $2 more for 22 more colors, which is worth it to me. The pencils display the color name, color number, and light fastness rating for each pencil. The set includes a pencil extender, a colorless blender pencil, and a pencil sharpener stuffed into the tube. There is no pre-made color chart like the other Kalour sets. I made my own swatch color chart using Excel. I'll slow down so that you can get a better look at the swatches on white and on black paper in the next section of the video. Let's look at the pastel pencils and the swatches. First, let's look at the pencils. I used trays from my Brutfudner set of 520 oily colored pencils so that I could lay out the 72 pastel colors. I may keep them in these trays so it's easier to find the colors that I'm looking for. Since this set does not come with a Kalour swatch color chart, I created an Excel spreadsheet to swatch the pastel colors. I'll probably use the list sorted by pencil number more often, but I'll keep both close by. I also created a swatch sheet on black drawing paper. You are probably wondering what colors you get with a 72 pencil set that aren't in the 50 pencil set. The first 50 colors in the 72 pencil set are the same colors. Kalour added the 22 additional colors to the end of the list. The last column, numbers 51 to 72, are the new colors that are only in the larger 72 pencil set. Coloring. To test the pastel colors, I used a bird picture from Amazing Animals, which is put out by the ASPCA. I think this is a pigeon, but who knows? I tried to have solid areas and blended areas in the picture. I used all 72 colors. As I used the pencils, I had very little breakage and sharpening was a breeze. The picture came out bright and light, the colors looked good together, and I kept coloring because I was having fun. Since I was enjoying myself, I colored two more pictures in Calming Color Nature Patterns by Graham Leslie McCallum. I colored the title page, trying to make as many blends as I could in a lot of different combinations. Since I was still having fun, I decided to work on a 2-page spread of flowers. The wide open spaces gave me areas to see each of the 72 colors on their own, and I did some blending in this picture as well. Not on purpose, I colored outside the lines and had to erase a bit. I think the pencils erased just fine. I also created a blending page in a sketchbook. These are just the lines of different colors crossing over each other to see more of how they blend. Coloring just one color on top of another was fine, but I had limited success when it came to 3 or 4 colors on top of each other. It didn't feel like the top colors, the last colors, put very much pigment on the page. What do you think of the bird, the title page, the flowers, and the blending page? Was this fun? Yes, these pastel pencils are fun to color with. If they are in your budget at just under $20, they are a great set to add to your collection. There are enough colors to make pastel pictures using just these 72 pencils. They are great accent colors to lighten up and brighten up your coloring pages. I'm looking forward to more coloring adventures using my new 72 Macaron coloring pencils from Kalour. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.